Hey Tyler. Yeah, I want to show you guys my new Nerf gun I made. Well, I didn't make it, I just modified it. So, it's right there. Sorry, 1 minute. It's right there. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make this. Yeah. So, bring it over here. Okay. So, first you want to get cardboard and tape. So I made the strobe on the top, use tape. Okay. I'll show you right now. Just alright. It's pretty good. Got the handle too. And comment down below what else I should make. Yeah. Comment down below if I should do vlogs. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. There's gonna be vlogs, gaming. I don't know what else. Pokemon Go! Ugh. Yeah, so come to subscribe to Ben Barnes. You do more vids. Oh yeah, that's my Malinkin Falcon I built. I had to fix it, something happened. I just spilled pop all over my room. Yeah. Got my junk dude looking TV. This Nerf gun is, I got this for Christmas. I got a lightsaber, got a pistol, got a dirty ram, a Pokemon. I got cups. What else? Tell me what I should do next, like modify a pistol. So thank you guys for watching. Comment. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yippee!